Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you the new additions to our home that we've purchased from Ikea. There aren't many items, but they've made quite an impact in our home. And if you are interested in anything that you see, the names of the items will be listed on the screen and also on the description. Up first is this MITTLED lighting system for your kitchen. This was something that we were really looking forward to having. We used to have puck lights, but now we've upgraded, thank God. And this system, it was really super easy to install. It comes with a remote. Well, it doesn't come with it, you have to purchase the parts separately, but it has this remote that you can turn on and off, dim the lights. Also, you can control any of the light bulbs that they sell at Ikea to change colors. It also works with Alexa, which is fantastic. So if I'm in my room and I forget to turn off the lights, I can just say, Alexa, turn off the lights, and it's good to go. And if not, I still have the remote and I can just turn it off in the kitchen. Up next is this jar that I've been seeing everywhere on my Instagram, and I knew I had to have it. People have been using it for many different things, like putting on cotton balls, putting bobby pins, putting their makeup, whatever you want to use it. For me, I needed something to put my incense cones and have easy access to them, so whenever I want to light one up, it's just super easy to grab, and it looks really cute, it looks very chic, and I just really love the look of it. This cutting board was actually an impulse buy, but I'm actually glad that I bought it. It looks really cute and it's very functional, so I like cute things that are functional. Here I am taking pictures for my Instagram. This Instagram and YouTube thing, it's really hard, but I'm gonna do breakfast now using my cutting board. And also my new favorite thing that I've bought so far is this chopping knife. I didn't have one before, and I always struggled to cut my vegetables because the blades were too narrow, and this one is absolutely perfect. It has those ridges on the sides to prevent food to get stuck to the blade, and it's just chef kisses. So I really recommend you get that one if you need one in the future. This is breakfast. I was filming this. This is why I'm having such a hard time doing both things, Instagram and YouTube, because the format, it's so different. The layout, it's horizontal for YouTube and it's vertical for shorts and reels. So I forgot that I was filming this for Instagram and my shorts later on this week, and I didn't film it horizontally. So yeah, that will have to do for today's video. I'm really sorry. I still am getting used to this, but I think I will get the hang of it eventually, and everything will be good. So yeah, this is breakfast. It's toast with arugula, grilled cheese, and an egg. It was absolutely delicious. I really recommend you give it a try. It was tasty, it was salty, the creaminess of the cheese was fantastic, paired really well with how tart the arugula and strong the arugula is, and also the creaminess of that runny egg yolk, as you can see here. That was so satisfying. I'm really happy with that shot. I hope I can post that later, maybe tomorrow on my Instagram. If you want to follow me there, please do. I will leave all my links below if you want to know more about that. So yeah, that's it for that. Next are these placemats that we got to change the previous ones that we owned. They were of a natural material and they got infested with little bugs, and I think it's due to the material, so we got rid of those and are changing it for these ones. And actually they look better because they have a better contrast against the wood from our table, and this beautiful green just matches so well with the house. I also picked up a set of these napkins that are made out of fabric, and I didn't have any to use to set up my table, so I got some of these. They come in a mix match pack and have a cream and white pattern that it was just absolutely beautiful, and I really love them. The last thing is this basket that came very much in handy to hide this eyesore that it is our Wi-Fi. The size is big enough to hide both of these routers and also the remote for our vacuum, so it was very convenient and it looked really nice in that corner.